Checking if a postgresql table exists under Python, and probably Psycopg2. How can I determine if a table exists using the Psycopg2 Python library? I want a true or false boolean.
How about? An alternative using exists is better in that it doesn't require that all rows be retrieved, but merely that at least one such row exists.
I don't know the Psycopg2 lib specifically, but the following query can be used to check for existence of a table. The advantage of using information_schema over selecting directly from the pg_tables is some degree of portability of the query.
The first answer did not work for me. I found success checking for the relation in pg_class.